Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. A lot of times I tell a lot of people who come to me for counseling when they do not have this mindfulness in them, they are very stressed, they don't know how to control their emotions and react in a certain way when with different people when we meet. My dear friends, as I've always been telling you that yoga is a very good form of practice to practice mindfulness. It helps you keep calm, makes your thoughts come all in one place and makes you think logically. Many times we actually don't think with our mind. We are very impulsive, right? And the kind of stressed environment that we live in, the work, the personal things, everything keeps running in our mind and it's so jumbled up there in our head that it becomes very difficult for any individual to think right and think straight and think logically. So if you practice this one thing every day, morning, evening, I understand a lot of them tell me that I can't get up in the morning, I don't have the time and all of that. That's why any yoga place you go today, they in fact tell you come as per your convenience. Only requirement being that you should be lighter on your tummy so that it doesn't impact you and you're able to do it rightfully. So please make it a practice to do yoga in any form at least half an hour a day to begin with. I even tell them that, even if you begin for 15 minutes to start with, is good to go. Maybe for a month you can keep doing it for about 15 minutes and then slowly you can increase that time. The whole idea is that you need to get into a habit of doing that regularly. And once you're in that habit, you yourself will see the change within just a month of how your mind will start staying calm. You will be less reactive, less impulsive, and you will start thinking more logically than actually you do. My dear friends, do give it a thought to this. There are a lot of places like these where I have come today, in the city also, where you can explore, find out and see and follow me on my account, subscribe to my channel so that I keep sharing a lot of such videos from different places where you can go, see, practice and get all these good things in life for you to be happy. Do let me know how it worked. Until then, it's me Neha saying bye.